Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You
My camera ended up dying like at the very end. Like I was so close to finishing all of my makeup and then my camera died and I was kind of in a rush, so I didn't have time to like let it charge and then finish my makeup. So I'm just gonna show you guys the rest of the stuff that I used and just finish it up right here and show you. Okay, so I believe what I ended off on was my mascara. If it wasn't, I'll just like insert what I used before, but if not, I'll just continue on. So, okay. I set all of my makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighters setting spray. I love this stuff. It's amazing and it's great and it works great. So, yeah, I use this. And then, while my face was still like somewhat damp, I used the Becca highlighter in Opal. So I used Opal, but honestly, I feel like this is a little like dark. I don't know if that makes sense, but like when it reflects in the sunlight, it looks kind of weird. So I'm pretty sure I know for sure that I only used this on my cheeks, and then on my nose I used an eyeshadow, which I just remembered I did that, so I'm gonna grab that. Okay, so before I started using this highlighter, I would use the color Champagne Truffle, which as you can see is like completely gone from the chocolate bar palette. So that's what I used on my nose and then inner corners and then brow bone. And then I also used the Becca highlighter on my Cupid's bow. And then the last thing for my makeup that I did was I lined my lips with the Kylie Lip Kit. The lip liner was Malibu, so I used that one. And then for my like lip color, I didn't use the matching one because it comes off kind of purplish. Sorry, I had to readjust. It comes off kind of like purplish, which isn't what I wanted, so I used this Revlon lip color, and it is... Okay, I think that it was... I'm terrible. I think this was Seduction. If not, that's literally like the only name I can find on this. If that's not the right name, I'll find it, but it looks like this. And it's really pretty. This was a little darker, so I had to kind of like soften it by like patting it. And then I applied this. And then finally I just curled my hair really loosely. So I used this Tresemme Heat Protectant and just sprayed it everywhere, brushed it through my hair, let it dry a little bit, and then I curled my hair. So to curl my hair I used the Numi curling wands, and this is what it looks like. So I have this set of 3. I believe it's the 3-in-1, I think that's what it's called. I used the biggest barrel and I curled all around my hair. I split it into 2 sections, so I had a top section and a bottom section, and that's how I like went through and like curled it. My hair was like a little wet still from showering because like I said, I was super rushed. It was a little wet like in the back sections, so it didn't like hold the curl very nicely. So then after I went through with like the bigger barrel, it like dried a little bit, and then I went with the medium barrel, which is the one that's on it right now. Looks like this. So I went through and just fixed up the pieces that I needed to, and then I kind of like ran my fingers through my hair just to like loosen it up even more and make it look how I wanted it to look. So since you guys didn't actually get to like see how all of that looked, I'm going to insert some pictures at the end to show you guys like my dress and my shoes and all of that. But before I do that, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So, bye!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.